लिखने के लिए तैयार हो जाएं। रेडी, स्टार्ट। द importers of this tractor have appointed Mr. Gajendra Singh as their authorized agent. Cycling or loitering is a pleasure and an adventure in rainy water. My father appointed a tutor who had neither good temper nor was an educator. The speaker was a founder member of this institution, an ideal citizen of moral character, neither spreads rumors nor listens to them. He was an alternative being all-rounder cricketer, therefore he entered the team. Sir, another point of interest raised was about typewriters and teleprinters. As you know, open tenders were invited and letters were also written to various traders in the private sector registered with the directorate. But neither open tenders were received nor they responded. Therefore, there was no alternative but to place the orders with the factories not registered with the Directorate of Supplies and Disposal. I am sure there is no malified intention of the ministry in placing the orders. If the picture is not clear to any member, he can come to my chamber in future before asking such questions on the floor of the house. Para change. The suppliers have been asked to deliver the goods immediately and in any case latest by 15th December. Therefore, it is not correct to say they can linger on the dates of their supplies. If they are not able to deliver the goods within the specified time limit, it will be our duty to cancel their orders for these items. I think it is highly improper to put any hindrance in their works as it may hamper the progress or affect the supplies. The bills introduced in this house relating to the fighter bombers and reactors were passed in this session without any opposition. The hunger strike of plant workers in the reactor has ended and the temper of workers has also cooled down with the agreement signed with their union. There is no anger in the minds of workers and their leaders now. The key punch operators joined their duties in order that the work may not suffer anymore. The Federation of Industries has appreciated the interest and cooperative attitude of the entire industrial workers all over the country in order that the private sector industrial units function properly to produce more. The central government has decided to monitor the schemes of drinking water, education, health for industrial workers. Stop.